Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. A baby on a hip, a toddler crying on your leg, with soccer practice in less than an hour. I get it. Been there, done that. Still doing that. Healthy, quick weeknight meals are a must for everybody, whether it's just you or a family of five you are feeding. And when I have nothing to cook, then Aaloo ki katliyan or Zeera wale Aaloo is the best option for us. Paratha or chapati roti goes well with this, and it's best for breakfast as well. So let's go and see what we need for this recipe. So first thing we need is potato, of course. So what I did, I thinly sliced potatoes and soaked them in water. And what I did, I used this cheese grater, and I used this side of the grater, and I just put one potato and start slicing, so you will have uniform thinly sliced potatoes. You can do it by hand with the help of knife as well. So first heat oil in a shallow fry pan, then add cumin seeds or Zeera, and then let them crackle for 30 seconds or a minute. Then add your soaked but drained sliced potatoes, and then start tossing them for like minute or two. Now it's time to add some seasoning. I used crushed red peppers, salt, and turmeric powder. And you can use any other seasoning as well. I heard people use some chopped tomatoes to make it like a gravy. I used my mom recipe, which is like a drier version. So we never add any onions or tomatoes in there. So just toss with the seasoning and make sure your flame is medium to high and let it cook. We want our potatoes to be a little crispier from the bottom. At the same time, we don't want it to get mushy, and we want them to be completely tender, not raw. So a little tricky but very easy and a quick recipe. Just let them cook for 5-10 minutes. If you think your potatoes are a little thicker and they need water, just add a tablespoon to a quarter cup. And then for a little while I just cover them so the steam build in there and they will get tender faster. So just cover them for 5-10 minutes, and then just bring the bottom potatoes on top and toss it with a very light hand. So this is it. As soon as the potatoes are tender, this dish is complete. It's a very staple dish for my grandma's house. They usually have it with the paratha for their breakfast. My girls really like them as well. I sometimes roll them in a chapati roti for their school lunches, or make them a sandwich for school lunch as well. Simple, great tasting recipe ready in a flash. Just what you need when there is a lot on your plate. Recipe which could be easily made at home at any time of the day. And if you make these aloos in a different way, let me know in a comment. Or if you try my version, don't forget to take a picture, tag me on Facebook, Twitter, or on Instagram. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and be a part of morEwish family, and click on the links to check my previous videos.